Hey guys, and welcome to Nerdcast, where we nerd out about various topics. Today, we are going to discuss psychology in marketing.
You guys heard about Micromax ka naya launch that's coming up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what do you think? How do you think their marketing campaign is going right now? This is not only happening in India; it's happening in every country. You know, people
Yeah.
from US are speaking about vocal for. Why is everybody going for vocal for local and everything? Because
This
they want.
entire concept of, to be honest, okay, there are two big concepts that are coming up here. There are one concept of regionalism, the localization, like opposite from globalization. That is one concept, and the other concept is the whole entire Chinese like concept, like getting away from being dependent
Let's
on
go
China.
there. Let's go there. Yeah.
So if you're talking about getting independent from China, that was needed because of the whole like policy of China that has been until for years. Like China basically made every other country dependent on it from it due to its
Yeah.
large
So
scale manufacturing. But the
so
whole
we can talk as that. Bola, bola. No, you were
and
saying.
that need to be stopped because obviously every other country. So I'm not saying that. So this has to be separated from the entire localization of the concept because globalization still is needed. Dependence on one country that mostly depends on dictatorship and slave labor, that needs to get away.
इसमें see the concept again, this is not a globalization ka issue at all. This is about dependency, and every country wants to be independent from other countries when it comes to making their own resources happen. So phones are a very big resource when it comes to this. So actually
Yeah.
the thing Micromax is doing, it is capitalizing on this current trend when it
Yeah.
comes to getting Indian products in market. uh, but are they going overboard with it? What do you think about that? Because see,
I don't
Not
think so
I,
for
really.
a
They.
company that
I'll tell
like
you what.
about it. Hmm.
I'll tell you what. The company exited in 2017, if I'm not mistaken, after
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
canvas and everything. Why did it? Why did they do that? That would be my first question. And now, just a month ago, I saw a video of the CEO talking about how how we are all for national and everything. And
Yeah.
now it feels like a very opportunist thing to do.
Yeah, it is an opportunistic move, but the other thing is right now, because of the entire concept of moving away from China and everything, industries are getting much more rebates and it's getting much easier for industries to be set up in India right now. So right now it has much more opportunities because of the support from the government and the support from people who are going to buy. So that's what I'm saying. It's a combination
Yeah,
of both.
Correct.
Yeah, yeah.
there's one faction of people who actually believe that gay nationalism thing will take up. There are I am actually actively following this campaign
Mhm.
because I want to know what happens for the future of Indian mobile phones in
Yeah.
general. Okay, and the way, like, see, I'll be honest about it. Micromax wouldn't be my preferred option, but
Yeah.
I'm still rooting for them because that's the only
They
option
need
we
to be a
have.
local option. Yeah, they need to
It's
be a
like the
local option.
politicians of our country. Like, you don't have a good option, but you have to root for them because
Hmm.
they are the ones who will drive your country, right?
Yeah.
So वैसे उस हिसाब से देखे, but still it could be a marketing failure when it comes to bad timing. You're taking एक opportunity को तुम milk कर रहे हो, that is a good thing. But
Yeah.
if you overdo
Yeah.
that, right, you might be viewed as very preposterous.
But I'm still going to say that it's not as opportunistic as how much Samsung and all utilize this time. Because the moment this boycott China and everything started, Samsung literally made it a big point to tell that how much big of factories it has in India and how much it like everything is made in India and everything.
What
So
Yeah.
phone do you
Because
Samsung
have?
these
also did the same.
What phone do you have?
Micromax was on a break, right? Because
See, remember, I literally
they
got a
got out
mail
of the
from
market.
Apple. I literally got a mail from Apple that hey, our iPhone 11 has started to be made in India. You so marketing is still there by every other firm which is trying to move to India or moving away from China. So I think Macromax is not going overboard with it. It's doing the right amount of marketing based on that.
Yeah. At
Okay,
least
so
till
with
now.
marketing, it comes like with advertising as well. So I would
Yeah.
suggest you guys like just take a look at Micromax's like latest advertisings, and I think they went overboard with the concept. Because see, after one point, the thing boils down to how good your product is, and if
Yeah.
you fail to deliver on that, then like the essentially the
The whole.
expectations you're building, you're broken them, and then people will actually not trust your brand anymore. Now people are with Micromax for this. Now what they expect, they have a launch on 3rd. Correct.
Yeah.
So what
Okay.
people actually expect is that you bring the right specs at the right price. That's what good phone marketing should be about.
Yeah.
If you're telling कि ऐसा है and the phones are not at all competent with say Huawei या फिर अपना जो Redmi है. Redmi is like the most selling phones में से एक है वो.
Yeah.
When it comes to this, if it is not competent with Redmi का price, then it will be a failure.
It will still not be a failure because I know many people who are still not buying Redmi and everything just because of the whole entire concept of them being Chinese. अब अभी Realme क्यों चल रहा है? Because Realme is the brand that makes its phones in China, in India, sorry. Realme is complicated in India, and that's why it's selling right now so well.
No, it's selling because of its specs. I will tell you that honestly. Realme people, I will tell you, like around 60% of the people couldn't care less if it is made in China. Realme people buy it because of specs. They don't know, that if it's made in. That's how they, because the specs are. Imagine what happened with Canvas. Canvas 1 was there. Canvas 1 was a huge hit, as far as I remember. The day, and it had very good specs, but whatever happened after Canvas was a disaster.
True.
Canvas 2 was a disaster. Canvas 2 के बाद Canvas Max आया था. That was a disaster.
Oh, I had Canvas Max. So
it was a
I know
disaster.
it was,
No offense,
yeah.
but it was bad,
It
and
was.
It did not deliver that much. Canvas 1 came with Gorilla Glass, and that time Gorilla Glass was the thing, like अरे ये कुछ नहीं होगा इसका ऐसे.
Yeah.
And people actually did drop test and all, and it worked. And that is how you market a product.
Yeah.
Not everything after that is like the company falling downwards when it comes to, I don't know whether they just lost, they were too busy in the grind, ऐसे हुआ probably.
Yeah.
But
And
you have to stay focused.
no offense to his CEO, but his CEO was busy in something else. So.
अच्छा, I have no. अभी वो उसका वही हो गया. When I saw the video, right, I was repelled. I'll tell you that honestly. I was repelled by it कि भाई तुम लोग nationalism का फायदा मत उठाओ, ऐसे गलत फायदा मत उठाओ. Where were you when people were talking about nationalism 3 years ago? Were you there in the picture? No.
It's just,
But you could have done better for your phones. You could have actually competed with the likes of Vivo, Oppo, and anybody else who's in the market right now with that big amount of funding. You could have gotten, he could have gotten good investors for his business to actually grow, and top people would trust Micromax more. You just get out of the business one day, and then people you just spring up when there's
you see exactly, you see the opportunity and you just jump into it, and that's not going to work at all.
It's
even if let's say not getting into the opportunity, but even if say let's say people saw this advertisement of about Micromax and stuff ki naya hai and we are made in India, still they wouldn't trust them because 3 साल से तुम लोग थे ही नहीं मार्केट में, and अचानक से तुम लोग आ गए. That is also a thing that people wouldn't trust.
You know what Micromax is actually targeting? I would hope it targets the real budget, the really low budget segment, because that segment is of the Chinese clones and everything. I think that can actually, that is the market that they can capture.
So the 1A was actually a hit thing.
1A अभी उनका जो है ना IN नाम का phone they are launching on 3rd of November. So IN में there's 1A, 2A, 3A if I'm not mistaken. They are launching 3 phones.
Okay.
So जो 1A है ना, 1A has the same specs you're talking about.
Yeah.
2 GB RAM. I guess 16 GB.
सबसे सस्ता वाला 4,000-5,000 maybe.
They might do it actually even cheaper than Realme, and so.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. If they market it at, like if they if they place their product at around 4,000-5,000 rupees, that's going to like capture that, तो एक बंदा जो local Chinese clone लेने वाला होगा, he would go for like ये क्यों लूँ मैं?
Yeah.
So then the other thing that they will have to focus on is offline marketing. Online marketing इसमें नहीं चलेगी, because at that budget segment the person is not going to buy from Amazon. ये चीज तो पहले ध्यान रखनी पड़ेगी. So yeah, if they play the cards right, I think it might work. But because right now the problem is कि Apple, like in like premium segment, Apple, Samsung, Realme, like premium as in anything about 20,000 I'm talking about, and like these, and also like other major like LG and all are also finally moving to India. And with that, like that already being a part of manufacturing segment in India, I don't think a new Indian company would be able to compete unless it competes really well again, like in terms of pricing.
I would actually, I would really expect expect नहीं बोल रहा. I would really like it if Paytm launched a phone. What do you think about that? They do have capabilities.
Paytm launching phone would be again in the
Again,
area of
like they won't be
financial
competent enough.
things.
No, not about financial. The problem would be that the company is a software product. They won't be
Yeah.
able. I don't think they would be able to like shift well into a brick and mortar business and be able to like handle the supply chain and marketing and everything.
Paytm का see, I'll tell you मेरे को क्या लगता है. Paytm में the way they are progressing at things. They started how? They started as a simple gateway. तुम्हारा पेमेंट गेटवे की तरह उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया था. Then they moved into e-commerce. Now they have Paytm Mall. Now they have an e-commerce online store of their own.
Yeah.
They are competing with Amazon when it comes to all of this. Amazon है, JioMart के against है. The
Yeah.
only next sensible thing for them is to make a phone. If you really look into that, right? Because see, that's how you integrate all of it.
Yeah, मैं एक
And they have
एग्जांपल दूंगा लाइक अगर ये सेंसिबल होता तो आज Amazon भी फोन बना रहा होता. Amazon बाकी सारे प्रोडक्ट बना रहा है लाइक टॉकिंग अबाउट हार्डवेयर. It has like Echo.
Amazon did launch a phone at one point
tablet,
of time.
Fire tablet. They launched it, but it didn't work. So that's what I'm saying. A company
It didn't
that has a
work
major
because
focus on
see,
software side of things, they might tie up with some other brand to have their own software built into it.
I'll tell you what, Amazon का वो जो launch था, again it was about timing. First of all, it's a
Yeah.
US company. US companies में phones, they don't need a budget phone. I don't think US companies need a budget
Yeah,
phone
exactly.
to be launched. India desperately needs a budget phone. क्योंकि a
And
phone with
they're-
good features and good price. And Paytm can do that. I think they have the capability. And see, it's all about supporting businesses. तुम्हारा एक business centered है, उसके again अभी just imagine if Paytm just launches a phone now, it has better service levels, and it has better access to Indian market. That is most needed when you're marketing about a phone.
Yeah.
The number of people who have Paytm on their phone, it's humongous. Okay, every other person who has a phone, not other person, 1 in 10 people who have a phone has Paytm in it. I think.
Yeah.
So that's the amount of reach you have, and you can easily market a phone. When the important part is marketing. I think when it comes to a phone manufacturing thing, manufacturing is just the technical.
No, my marketing their phone. Maybe they make a phone and they market it. Marketing their phone won't be an issue with them because already they have such a huge customer base already. So marketing that won't be issue. But again, would that phone be standing to market towards the let's say 10,000 phone? Let's say जो MI बना रहा है, MI के हिसाब से वो नहीं रहेगा शायद उतना better. Their marketing might be good. Then again, this would be lasting for just a small time. Let's say 2-3 years. जैसे 2-3 साल में लोगों को पता चलना चालू हो जाएगा कि these phones are not better than any other different phones. Then they would stop buying it. So 2-3 साल का खेल है. This is not a long term scene.
Paytm has those technological expertise.
Yeah, yes. That is there.
But I don't think Paytm had the expertise in supply chain.
It has the resources, dude. It has the resources. It doesn't have the expertise. I agree with that. But for Paytm, so you were talking about the next Indian brand, right?
I was talking. So let's do one thing. If you're talking about Indian brand, why can't they can actually tie up with some other Indian company and then make like जैसे Google का है. जैसे Google ने जब Nexus launch करता था, तो the Nexus series was entirely that concept that they tied up with one company and then had their own like software services built into it. Or Microsoft Galaxy Note के साथ tie up है कि if you buy any Galaxy Note 20 or something, all the Microsoft services are tied up, integrated into it. So that's what I am saying, that they can there are so many Indian technology tech firms that are not standing in terms of अभी कोई standing नहीं है. For example, iBall हो गया, so it doesn't have a standing right now, right?
Yeah.
और TVS हो गया. TVS surprisingly is an Indian firm, but हम लोग confused हो जाते हैं and then we think that it's a Chinese firm, but it has been an Indian firm for a long time.
कौन सा?
TVS Electronics.
TVS.
अच्छा.
एक मिनट फोन का नहीं, TVS as in
वो TVS अलग है. TVS Electronics अलग है. TVS Electronics के कीबोर्ड were the one जो तेरे को अभी भी SBI वगैरह में जो तेरे को मिलते हैं, जो मैकेनिकल.
अच्छा, okay.
They are actually TVS, जो IBM को उन्होंने क्लोन किया था.
अच्छा.
So I'm saying, तो expertise India में कई companies के पास है, they just need to move the manufacturing away from China again because they are the ones who are sourcing right now, and then they can do it that they can tie up with these big Indian startups, and then those can combine like into like तो जैसे जियोफोन है, जियोफोन एक बार इंडिया में मैन्युफैक्चरिंग चालू हो जाए, it's going to like be really great.
Let's talk about this, okay? Let's talk about.
I have an example. I have one more thing.
Moving.
जियो
Bro,
की
yeah,
मार्केटिंग इज सो कनिंग. मैंने अभी जियो फाइबर लगाया था, तो जियो फाइबर का तो जो राउटर है उस पे लिखा है मेड फॉर इंडिया, और छोटा था,
अच्छा
बाद में चेक करो पीछे तो मेड फॉर इंडिया इन चाइना.
अच्छा
बड़ा बड़ा मेड फॉर इंडिया है. तो या
Okay. Like let's talk about one more thing, okay? Consumerism में ना अभी how would like shifting the manufacturing units of companies to India make a difference in terms of quality of life of people over here and the amount of investments we'll get in future?
well, the first thing is employment. Like
Yeah.
the way when Samsung came into and came to Noida, and as well as they are in Maharashtra also, right? So they came into two places and built their huge industries. मुझे एक चीज बता, अभी इंडस्ट्रियल सेक्टर जो बना है तेरा बैंगलोर में, जो इंडस्ट्रियल पार्क बना है, दैट जस्ट came into being because of some few companies from abroad setting up their centers in Bangalore. So the same way, abhi Noida is becoming a huge industrial hub just because of like industry like Samsung and all coming and setting up their plants. One industry set, the other industry start popping around because
Yeah.
people are coming in from different rural area for like to be employed there. So that's going to bring up the entire economy of that area. So this was our discussion until now on marketing and economics. We will continue this in the next episode.